Hey guys, I'm Johnny Scoville and this is Chase the Heat. It's gonna be a nice day today. I've had my exercise bike for a few days now. I haven't used it. Today I'm using it. Gonna go to China. That or maybe Banff, Canada. Going on a little ride. Film it. It'll be fun. Boy, it doesn't take a lot to make me happy. This'll do it. A habanero. Kind of excited about it. Hey, I don't know if you saw yesterday's video. Yesterday was one of the most momentous videos. 5,000 plus videos I've made. I've said probably a dozen times. I'm jealous of people who get hiccups because it looks fun. It looks like it hurts. It looks like it would add to it all. And I got hiccups yesterday for the first time ever over something hot. Now, there was a time when I went to visit Ryback, I got hiccups driving back from Vegas to Reno. And I filmed it just because it's such a strange thing to ever happen to me. It just doesn't ever happen. So, but yesterday it was just such a thrill. Double Doomed rebooted. Holy mackerel, was that hot. That was fun. That was fun. Anyway, so look what I got. A beautiful habanero. Now my mom bought this. She went and bought this, this is this farmer's market thing where if you buy just you spend $30 and you get this giant box of all things vegetables. This was in there. Cutting it with my Viking Grim Frost knife, chili mama bird. Fruity and lovely it smells like. There's the interior, people. All right, gorgeous. Something I'm going to address as soon as I eat this. Hope you have a great day. I'm Johnny Scoville and this is Chase the Heat. Fruity. Big pepper. Lovely pepper. It was fruity, has that great sting, all over burn. For Hob, it was kind of a warm one. But I want to address something that because I got a few emails and a bunch of comments about purging. I'm just here to tell you that on big events, everybody purges. Nobody, I mean, it's what happens. I've had issues where I wasn't able to, but let me give you a good example. The New York City Hot Sauce Expo. Twice now I've done the run for the Guinness Book of World Record to see who could eat the most Carolina Reapers in 1 minute. There's a green room in back where all the competitors are waiting nervously, and several big 50-gallon drums. Tables of ice cream and milk and 2% and whole milk and half and lemon juice, everything. But big barrels. And everybody purges. It's just one of those things. Now, do I purge after every pepper? Of course not. It's the silliest thing in the whole world. But I wanted to address that. That was a great pepper. Now, I've got some fun things today I'm doing with Tommy. We're going to go out and do some things. Something else I was going to address. awful lot of talk about, is there a season 2 coming? I'm hearing things. Let's just say that. Tell your friends about Superhot. It's a really, you know what? It's a very, very well-produced show. Brian Scope is a genius. He's able to have an idea of a story he has in his head and able to get that on screen so that he gets people to see what he envisioned. He really is good at doing that. But hopefully you're all enjoying it. It was an awfully fun project to be on. I'm going to run right now. But man, I'll tell you that yesterday's video will hang with me forever. I got the hiccups. That was absolutely incredible for me. Oh, it was fun. Anyhow, I hope you guys all have a great day today. Tell somebody you love them. Life's too... Oh, you know what? I wanted to tell you something. I wanted to read you a few things. This is weird. I don't even know if I believe this. I'm only going to read a couple to you. There's 6. Then I won't even do that. Will I do 6? Yeah, I'm going to read you all 6. These are silly trivia. Smile mask syndrome. Have you heard of that? Smile mask syndrome? It's a psychological disorder as a result of prolonged unnatural smiling. The disorder causes subjects to develop depression and physical illness, first described in Japan in 1983. This is attributed to the giant importance placed on smiling in the Japanese service industry. Who knew? Listen to this. In 1920s, the Hollywood sign, you know the Hollywood sign in California? It used to be lit by thousands of light bulbs. And there was a dude who changed them. He lived in a little cabin near the sign and had to replace non-working bulbs with fresh ones every single day. Huh. Prince's death convinced Shaka Khan and her sister to get clean. How cool is that? This is a good one. Shaka Khan says that they entered an intensive rehab program for their fentanyl addiction because of the tragic death of Prince made them realize that it was time to take action to save our lives. In Alaska, it is illegal to be drunk in a bar. I think it's probably like that most places, no? Per state laws, a person who is already drunk may not knowingly enter a bar to drink more or remain in the bar that got them drunk in the first place. So the minute you're hammered, you got to go. And if you're hammered, you can't go in. And there's 2 more. This is a funny one. The voice of Boo from Monsters, Inc. You know that little cute kid, Boo? That's Mary Gibbs. It was actually just an actual toddler during production. Here's what they did. The crew couldn't really get her to sit still and read her lines, so what they did, they let her play in the studio while following her around with a mic. That was it. Ha! I love that. Save this one for last. Listen to this. Peppers, the thing I just ate, peppers, are named so because of who? Bueller, anybody? Christopher Columbus. Chili peppers, bell peppers, and the rest got their English name when Columbus visited the Caribbean, or the Caribbean, depending on how you say it. And they thought they tasted like black pepper. So, go figure. All right, your charge today. Tell someone you love them. Be kind to somebody. Somebody needs to hear it. You need to hear it. I love you. In the description box, you'll see a link for all of the normal stuff. Right there is the right here. That pepper gets you on the bus. I'm just the driver. Right there, that gets you on the boat. Tommy's just the captain. Right here, all the challenges we've done. Pepperology for all you new guys. Who loves you? Ha! I do. I'm Johnny Scoville, and this was Chase the Heat.